all students. Good morning. How are you today? Hope you have a great day for every day. We meet again with Miss Rina Venaria Julistiani today. Like usually, we will continue on our English lesson. Why? Before we continue on our English lesson, let's we pray based on our religion. Alright. Let's go. Finish. Alright, thank you. Today we will continue on our English lesson. Then today is Monday, 18 January 2021. Alright. Okay. Today we gonna learn from student book and workbook. Student book page 78 until 81. And then same the with workbooks. Alright? Are you ready to start our lesson today? Okay, let's prepare your English book. Okay, English book, student book, workbook, and notebook. Because today we will gonna write some vocabularies. Alright? We continue and we move the next slide. Alright. The first slide, okay, here there are some vocabularies. Okay, now like and usually before we have a new vocabulary, we must write on our notebook. Alright, now let's take your notebook and then write this vocabulary on your notebook. Let's go. Alright, thank you. Okay. Here, some vocabulary is taken from your student book, page 78. Alright, is it about habitats? What is habitats? Yes, ada yang belum tahu habitats itu apa? Tempat tinggal. In Indonesia is habitat. Jadi habitat itu tempat tinggal makhluk hidup, di mana di situ dia tinggal, di situ dia berkembang biak, di situ dia mencari makan dan makan ya. Nah, itu namanya habitat atau in English is habitat. Alright. Nah, di sini ada beberapa habitat ya, ada habitatnya. Ada polar region, ocean, jungle, desert, mountain, sand, tree, rocks, coral, and snow. Nah, tapi yang sand ini ya, ini yang sand, tree ini sepertinya sudah pernah ditulis ya, nggak apa-apa ya. Oke. Nah, di sini ada beberapa vocabulary ya, there are some vocabulary here. Nah, setelah ditulis, let's we read together. Yuk, kita baca sama-sama. Right. Habitat. Polar region. Polar region. Ocean. Ocean. Jungle. Jungle. Desert. Desert. Mountain. Mountain. Sand. Tree, rocks, coral, snow. Alright, good. Alright, let's repeat once again. Let's read again, right? Habitat, polar region, ocean, jungle, desert, mountain, sand, tree, rocks, coral, snow. Alright, good. Di rumah, diulangi lagi ya. And then don't forget to write this vocabulary on your notebook. Right? Now let's move the next slide. Okay? This line is taken from your student book, page 78. Alright? Part 1 about habitat. Okay, look at the habitat. What color are they? Nah, kita disuruh melihat habitatnya. Di sini ada habitat tentang apa ya? Ada beberapa habitat, itu ada polar region, ocean, jungle, desert, ya, desert, mountain. Ya, okay. Let's see the picture. Number 1. Is it about polar regions? What is the color? Alright, the polar region is white and blue. Okay, good. And then let's we move the second picture. Okay, is it ocean? So, what is the color of ocean? Miss, right here the ocean is gray. Alright, okay. And then benar nggak? Sebenarnya ocean itu blue ya. Okay, it doesn't matter here. Miss write gray. Alright. Okay. And then I'm sorry, the third picture, yeah. Is it about jungle? So jungle identic with green color, alright? Okay. So it's jungle. I'm sorry, desert. Ya, desert first. Ya, desert. Ini gurun pasir. So what is the color? Miss see the color is orange and blue. But if you want to change the color, it doesn't matter. Alright? Jadi kalau misalnya nggak mau miss, itu bukan orange, but is the brown. It doesn't matter. Mau diganti sama brown, nggak apa-apa ya. Here miss just write orange and blue. Ini ada sky-nya, ada langitnya warna biru ya. Jadi miss tulis di sini orange and blue. And then the fourth picture is about the jungle. So like miss said, the jungle identical with a green color. Okay, so here miss write the jungle is green. Why? And then the last picture here about mountains. Okay, what is the color? Okay, let's we see. The mountain is white, yellow, and black. Okay, ya. Jadi Miss tulisnya berdasarkan warnanya di sini ya. Nah, like an ocean biasanya itu the color is blue ya. Tetapi ini di gambarnya agak ke gray gitu, so Miss write gray. But if you want to change the color, it doesn't matter, right? Okay. Alright, until here, any question so far? Okay, if you have any question, please wait on my way out, right? Okay, let's we move the next slide. This slide is taken from your student book, page 78, part 2. What do you find in habitats? Nah, kita jumpai apa saja gitu di habitats itu, gitu kan? Kita jumpanya di habitats mana barang benda-benda ini ya. Ada sand, there are sand, trees, rocks, coral, and snow. Okay, let's we check and then let's we discuss. Okay, for the first picture, this is about sand, alright? Sand. So you find sand in the desert. Okay? You can find sand in the desert. Okay. Jadi kita bisa menemukan pasir itu di gurun ya. Desert itu gurun pasir. Itu adanya di overseas ya, adanya di luar negeri gitu, okay? And then the second picture, what we find in the trees. So you can find, okay, you can find trees in the jungle. Kita bisa menemukan batang pohon, pepohonan atau batang-batang ini di hutan. Okay, good job. And then the third picture, let's see. The third picture about coral. Coral itu apa, Miss? Terumbu karang, batu karang ya. Okay. yang ada di bawah dasar laut sana, dasar lautan. Yang sering snorkel ya, maybe now, yang sering snorkel itu mungkin akan tahu ya. Nah, sering lihat terumbu karang sekarang. But Miss not yet see the coral. Miss belum lihat ya, except in the TV. Hanya lihatnya di TV ya, from handphone gitu aja. Kalau melihat nyata belum pernah. Karena Miss juga belum pernah snorkel atau lihat menyelam ke bawah lautan sana. Okay. And then let's we move. The third picture is about coral. Where we find the coral in the ocean. Alright, you can find the coral in the ocean. Alright, and then the next picture, let's we see about rocks. What is rocks? Rocks itu bebatuan ya, batu-batu, tumpukan batu yang tinggi. Nah, where we find, di mana kita temukan? You can find rocks in the mountains. Alright, okay. And then snow. Okay, where we find the snow? We can find atau you can find the snow in the polar regions or mountains. Mountains juga ada yang menghasilkan itu ya, menghasilkan salju juga ya. Okay. And then now, okay, until here, I'm so sorry. Until here, any question so far? Alright. Okay. Let's we move the next slide. Okay. Okay, here this line is taken from your student book, page 79. Is it about where do you find the animals? Nah, di mana kita menemukan hewan-hewan ini? There are a tiger, parrot, camel, and goat. Alright, okay? Okay. Where we find? Yeah. Okay, let's we check. Okay, tiger. You find tigers in the jungle. And then parrots. Where we find the parrots? Alright, let's check. You find parrots in the jungle too. And then camel. Where camel live? Camel live-nya tinggalnya di mana? Hidupnya di mana? Di desert. Alright, good. You find camels in the desert. Okay, and then goat. Where we find? In the mountains. Alright. Until here, any question? Alright, if you are not have fun question, let's move the next slide. This slide same with the previous slide ya. Ini yang sama slide sebelumnya. Ini yang number 5 until number 8-nya. There are polar bear, shark, jellyfish, and penguin. Okay, where we find? Let's check. Okay, we find the polar bear in the North Pole or polar region. Okay, North Pole itu kutub utara ya. Nah, kita temuinnya di kutub utara. Okay, and then next shark. We find the shark in the ocean. Okay, and then number 7 itu jellyfish. Where we find? Okay, in the ocean juga ya. And then the last penguin, where we find the South Pole di kutub selatan. Polar bear and penguin itu we can find them at the polar region di daerah-daerah kutub. Oke, daerah kutub itu dibagi menjadi 2, yaitu North Pole and South Pole, itu kutub utara dan kutub selatan. Okay. And then let's move the next slide. Alright. This slide is taken from your student book, page 80. Alright. Okay, here About listen and imagine, then draw your picture. Nah, di sini kita disuruh berimajinasi untuk menggambar sesuatu based on our audio. Nah, kita dengar dulu audionya di situ. Lalu dia nantinya dia katakan tentang apa, baru kita berimajinasi, lalu kita menggambar. Gambarnya up to you ya, jadi terserah kalian mau gambarnya apa. Oke? Okay? For the first, let's we listen the audio. Let's go.
Student's Book, page 80. 1. Listen and imagine. Then draw your picture.
Close your eyes and listen. Imagine a house. Is it big or small? Is it old and scary? What color is the house? How many bedrooms are there? Is there a kitchen? A living room? A dining room? Is there a cellar under the house? What about the yard? Is it big or is it small? Now, draw your house and yard.
Alright. Okay, now let's we listen once again. Okay, Miss repeats once again.
Student's Book, page 80. 1. Listen and imagine. Then draw your picture.
Close your eyes and listen. Imagine a house. Is it big or small? Is it old and scary? What color is the house? How many bedrooms are there? Is there a kitchen? A living room? A dining room? Is there a cellar under the house? What about the yard? Is it big or is it small? Now, draw your house and yard.
Alright, we already done listen with
This
audio. Okay, now let's discuss. Okay, nah kalian di rumah boleh menggambar ya sesuai imajinasi kalian sendiri ya. Oh ya, gambarnya di mana, Miss? Gambar di mana ya? Di kertas selembar aja ya, in the paper. Oke, please draw in the paper. Jadi gambarnya di kertas lembar aja. May I coloring, Miss? Yes, please. Silakan. Kalau mau diwarnai, silakan. Nggak diwarnai pun, silakan. Oke. Oke, nah kita discuss dulu di sini ya. Oke, listen and imagine, then draw your picture. Nah, tadi audionya said, alright. Close your eyes and listen. Imagine a house. Jadi berarti kita disuruh berimajinasi dengan sebuah rumah. Berarti gambar yang akan kita buat itu adalah gambar rumah. Oke. Is it big or small? And then, is it old and scary? What color is the house? How many bedrooms are there? Is there a kitchen, a living room, a dining room? Is there a cellar under the house? What about the yard? Is it big or is it small? Now draw your house and yard. Nah, di sini kita disuruh menggambar sebuah rumah. Rumahnya itu apakah memiliki sebuah dining room, kitchen, ya apalagi tadi dia bilang dining room, apa kitchen, a living room ya, bedroomnya. Nah, jadi kalian menggambar rumah ya sesuai imajinasi masing-masing ya. Oke, this is just example. Not Miss make a picture, not Miss draw a picture, but Miss just take this picture from Google. Nah, ini gambarnya bukan Miss yang buat dan bukan Miss yang menggambar. Miss ambil gambarnya dari Google ya. Jadi contohnya seperti menggambar sebuah rumah ya. Jadi kalian boleh mau gambarnya rumahnya kecil, rumahnya besar, mau make a small house, bigger house, it doesn't matter, up to you, right? Okay, paham ya? Okay, now let's we move the next slide. Alright, this line is taken from your student book, page 81, the last page from unit 6. Alright. So the next time we will meet with the new unit 7. Alright? Okay. Nah, ini ada tentang quiz time. You can look on your student book and then you can do this exercise from your student book. Kalian ambil dulu buku student booknya karena di sini kita akan mau discuss tentang quiz time ya. Ada beberapa soal. There are 8 question we must discuss now. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Number 1. Alright, look at this slide. Okay. 5, 3. Okay, here there are a picture. What is the picture? What is this? Okay. A hallway, a dining room, a star. So, what is the answer? A, B, or C? What? C? No, is wrong. The correct is dining room. Alright. Good. And then let's we see the second question. Okay, what is it? Pertanyaannya, there are blah blah blah. There blah 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 3 bathrooms. Jadi kalau lebih dari 3 itu kita use is or are. Are, good, thank you. Okay. Nah, okay. We see number 3. Right. What is the picture? Okay. Let's see. Here, the question number 3, we must remember again about our song. Okay. Jadi pertanyaannya ini nyambung sama lagu kita. Dia suruh kita remember again, kan ya, kita mengingat lagi ya. Okay. The question is, where is the lizard in the song? Jadi dia tanya kadalnya itu ada di mana cicaknya? In the bathroom, in the bathroom, in the bedroom, in the kitchen. Alright, good job. In the bedroom, not bathroom. Yeah, right. In the bedroom. B, yeah, the answer is B. Okay. Next, number 4. The picture is cats. Okay, there are some cats here in the bed. So the question is, how many cats are there in the bed? Ada berapa catnya? 2, 3, or 4? A, B, or C? Okay. C, ini C ya. I'm sorry, C, not A. Okay, C, 4. There are 4 cats in the bed. Alright. Let's move. Number 5. Okay. Okay, let's move number 7. Okay. Okay, here we must remember again about our story. Okay, so the question is, how many rats are there in the house? The answer is 7, 8, 9. So the best answer is, the correct answer is A, B, or C? B. Alright, good. Okay, B. Okay, and then let's we move the next question. The question number 6. The question is, who isn't scared of the house? Okay, the answer is A, B, or C. Thunder, misty, or whisper. Okay, number 6. The best answer is C. Okay, and the next question. All right, is it about the picture? And then this is the question. Okay, the question is, which word has a different sound? Jadi dia tanya bunyinya yang berbeda, different itu berbeda ya. Ada hat, half, yang berbeda shoe. Jadi yang berbeda itu adalah shoe. Kalau hat sama half it's the same ya, hampir sama. Okay, and then the last question number 8. Okay, let's we see. Alright, there is a picture about coral. Okay, the question is, where do you find coral? In the ocean, in the mountain, or in the jungle? In the ocean. Alright, good. And then don't forget to write on your student book. Jangan lupa ya, dikerjakan di buku student booknya. Oke, jawabannya dilingkari ya. Oke. Now, let's we move the next slide. Alright, this line is taken from your workbook. Your workbook page 78. Page 78. Alright. Page 78. Have you done? Take your workbook. Okay, page 78. Part 1, bagian satunya ini halaman 78 bagian 1 ya. Write the letters. What the picture is it? Ini gambar apa? Gambar jungle. And then number 2, what is the picture? Desert. Alright. And then number 3, what is it? Mountains. Okay, good. And then number 4, what is it? Polar region. And then the last, ocean. Alright, good. Don't forget to write this answer on your on your workbook, not student book. Okay, let's move the next slide. This line is taken from your workbook, page 78, part 2. Okay. Match the word with the picture. Jadi kita mencocokkan ya kata yang dikasih warna biru dengan gambarnya. Okay. For example, number 1, sand. Yang mana gambar sandnya pasirnya. Okay. And then number 2, car. Yang mana? Which one? Okay, good. And then number 3, snow. Which one? Good. And then number 4, which one? Alright. And then number 5, trees. Okay, good. Don't forget to do this exercise on your workbook, okay? Okay. And then let's we move. This is mistaken from your workbook, page 79. Write the words part 1. Bagian satunya. Yang pertama ada the verse-nya. What's the picture is it? Is it tiger? Good. Okay. Tiger. And then number 2, what is it? Parrot. Ini Miss yakin nih semuanya pada bisa ini. And then number 3, What is it? Cow. No, is it camel? Alright. And then, number 4, jellyfish. Number 5, goat. Number 6, penguin. Number 7, I'm sorry, ini ketukar ya, tertukar. I'm sorry, nggak apa-apa ya. Di sini Miss buatnya number 7-nya shark, harusnya bear ya, nggak apa-apa ya. Kalian bisa tulis di buku kalian ya. Oke, ini shark, ini bear, polar bear. Oke, ini hanya posisinya aja yang ketukar, pengaturan Miss ngatur gambarnya itu. Nggak masalah ya, yang penting yang gambarnya seperti ini namanya shark. Oke, yang like that polar bear. Oke, nggak apa-apa ya. Kalau belum jelas nanti boleh tanya Miss di WA ya. Sorry. Oke. Okay, now let's we move the next slide. Alright. This slide is taken from your student book, Sam page 79, part 2. Color the circle in the activity 1. Okay. Alright, here we will coloring the picture ya. The circle yang lingkaran ini we will coloring. Kita akan warnai based on the key. This is the key. Key, gray for polar region, blue for oceans, red for mountains, green for jungle, and yellow for desert. Alright, okay. Nah, sekarang kita akan warnainya based on the habitat. Jadi berdasarkan their habitat, habitat mereka ya. Okay. Let's we see. Okay. Number 1, tiger. Tiger tinggalnya di mana? Di jungle. So we coloring with green. And then how about parrot? Same with tiger. How about camel? With camel leaf in live in desert. Alright. So desert yellow. And then jellyfish in the ocean. How about goat? Goat in the mountains. And then penguin gray ya. Ini Miss gray-nya seperti ini. And then how about shark on the ocean? How about polar? Okay, same with penguin. Alright, okay. Until here, any question? Alright, if you have no question, let's move the next slide. This is the last slide from Unit 6 in your workbook, right? Nah, ini adalah slide terakhirnya. So, you can make some picture whatever. Okay? Tentang apa saja yang kamu tahu. You want to make about tiger, about a goat, about a jellyfish, about a penguin, polar bear, or shark. It doesn't matter. Okay, you can draw whatever you know. Jadi kamu akan menggambar apa yang kamu ketahui gitu ya. Nah, like an example here, there is a jellyfish in the ocean. Misalnya kalian mau buat, you want to make a camel, so it doesn't matter. Just write here, okay? Silakan tulis. Ada lagi pertanyaan Miss, may I coloring? Yes, please. Kalau mau diwarnai tidak masalah, okay? Nah, bisa diwarnai dan dikerjakan di masing-masing belajar. Selamat belajar, okay? Okay, jangan lupa, don't forget to write our vocabulary on your notebook, and then don't forget to do this exercise, some exercise in your student and your workbook too. Okay, jadi jangan lupa jawaban-jawaban semua yang sudah kita bahas, yang sudah Miss bahas, disalin di bukunya masing-masing. Ada student book, workbook, dan yang vocabulary-nya You must write on your notebook. Okay. Today, Miss think that's all for today. Miss think enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, stay safe, stay at home, and then if you want to go out from your home, don't forget to wear our mask. Alright? Okay, see you next time. Bye. Oh ya, kalau ada pertanyaan boleh ya kita chat via WhatsApp. Alright? Okay, bye.